what's going on? StratSoldier here for the weekend shift. Brand new show for the whole year. For the first show of the year. First show of the year. If you were with us in the weekend shift over on Sipper Group, we had a blast. We went over to the motor pool in the Discord. We hung out there. It was a great time. Man, what a week it was in the Strat. If Rob said if you did not do anything until the last day of the week, you did pretty good, because we had a 2-1-2 reversal back up on the day. We had some Fed news saying, hey, it's not that bad. No. There was a president, the Fed president in Atlanta said, we think the markets, or he said he thinks the markets can absorb any more pain that the Fed brings. And the institutional buyers said, okay. And they started buying to the highs. I got my StratSoldier hoodie on. I love this thing. Feels so warm. I gotta use my StratSoldier coffee mug though. I got my StratSoldier mug out there somewhere. But just bringing you the charts for 2023. So let's look at them. Let's look at the charts for 2023. Right here at the top, I got the StratSoldier Easy Setup Scanner. If you need a link to that thing, let me know. We looked at anything that's 2-2 reversal up on the month. Right now, we got 10 charts. 2-2 reversal up on the month. B, K, R, 2-2 reversal up on the month. Energy, D, G, DG 2-2 reversal up on the month. Dollar General, it did trigger. All right, now we need to wait for it. It's still kind of having motherboard problems. You can see it's still stuck in this broadening formation here. Let's go ahead and draw that sucker right here live on the charts. Bam. And then I say live because I'm going to end up tweeting this sucker out and you guys will see. Okay, look at that. Look at that broadening formation. You see where all the price is kind of trading sideways in this outside compound outside bar, okay? That's what this broadening formation shows us, is the greater outside bar, okay? So we're kind of trading sideways. If you don't want to touch this, that's fine, all right? But Dollar General, right here on the side, my big old head's in the way, but I put the widget up here for news, all right? Benzinga news and in a StratSoldier, all right? And it's StratSolidier's goal is to give you all the tools that these professional traders have, and so that they get the news pretty dang quick. I mean, as soon as they get the news, boom, it's out there on the sites. Okay, so it's StratSolidier's. They also StratSolidier's giving you. I haven't traded yet. I have not tried it yet, but StratSolidier's got trading bots. I want to get that going this year. Can you imagine setting up a bot that sees full time frame continuity, and anytime you see a hammer in force, you buy? Imagine being able to set a bot up that does that for you, okay? And once it goes 2-2 reversal down on the 60, you get out, okay? That's one, saving you money. And if you get something like this on the SPY, let's go to SPY. You get a hammer in force. Oops. SPY. You get a hammer in force on SPY, and you're able to program this bot to trade full-time frame continuity, hammer in force, boom, you're in, and only stop out when it's 2-2 reversal down. You know what I mean? Set that thing up any way you want, as complicated as you want, and it could do it. All right, just imagine that. So I am imagining that. I'm going to need some help from David Yoakum and Dan Ershman over there at StratSoldier. The best thing about StratSoldier is they are a big company with professional programmers, but it's small enough you can get a hold of them and say, hey, I need help with this, and they will help you. That's the best part about StratSoldier. So just going back, there's our SPY charts. I want to talk about SPY, but going back to our 2-2 reversal up on the month from the StratSoldier Easy Setup Scanner. AAPL, 2-2 reversal up on the month. The magnitude on that is 194. SLB Slob, 2-2 reversal up, hammer in force on the month. All right, C GPN, 2-2 reversal up on the month. Halliburton, 2-2 reversal up on the month. D, 2-2 reversal up on the month. Dominion. All right, MDT, 2-2 reversal up on the month. GLO, I call this one Glow. Hasbro, Hasbro. That's right. Toys. 2-2 reversal up on the month. On the month. Give me some He-Man. Give me some Transformers. Hasbro to the highs. Okay. This StratSoldier Easy Setup Scanner, very similar. I set this thing up very similar to RunStrat. A lot of people were real big fans of RunStrat. RunStrat costs money. With TrendSpider, you get StratSoldier Easy Setup Scanner for basically, it is free. Okay, I mean, of course, yeah, you're paying for TrendSpider, but this setup is for free for you, so you can look up actionable signals, hammers, shooters, inside bars. You can set it up to look at things that are active. You can actively trading in a reversal right now. Okay, let's go back to SPY. If you had the StratSoldier Easy Setup Scanner, you could have. You could have scanned for anything going 2-2 reversal up on the day, okay? And then most things were going 2-2 reversal up on the day. You had a 2-1-2 reversal up on the week, right here. All right, that was awesome. Let's drop this down to the broader averages. Let's look at it from here. And they all did the same thing, okay? Once that news came out, you had a 2-2 reversal back up in diamonds as well. Here's your Benzinga news right here. All right, major indices are mixed for the session after pulling back following the release of the Fed's meetings minutes. Minutes showed participants did not think the rate cuts in 2023 would be appropriate for that restrictive stance would be maintained. Would need to be maintained. Okay, I kind of reading that there because my head's in the way. But you got that news to back up what's happening right here, okay? There's no reason for you to be thinking, okay, what's happening in the charts now? I don't know. So, hit the refresh button. Sometimes you got to do that, sucker. Refresh. Bam. There's your diamonds, all right? QQQ. Same thing. QQQ, there's no news on QQQ. Why? Because QQQ is so ugly that the market makers had to put bacon around this thing's neck, and so that people will play with it, because this thing is ugly. But if that Momo hammer goes in force, that is not a 2-2 reversal. That is not a 2-2 reversal. That's a 2-2 continuation. But if you can find a reversal on the daily or the 60 back into this green, this Momo hammer goes in force above 269 or 270. The first target will be 274, and then what are we going to be? We're going to be pushing up this weekly broadening formation up to 296, okay? Are we going to do that? We will see, all right? A lot of people are hoping that it does. Hoping, but we don't trade on hope, right? We trade price action. Let's go look at love. I was trading, get off of there. Come on. Stupid menu thing. I was trading LUV Southwest, all right? This is a trade I got stopped out of. The reason why I showed SPY, diamonds, QQQ is because you need to know what the broader averages are doing. It's easier to say, you know what, this is my universe, these are my 10 stocks, that's all I trade. And you never look at SPY, you never look at diamonds, never look at QQQ. That's dangerous, okay? I was shorting Southwest on LUV. I do not love this stock. That's why I was shorting the crap out of it. It went 2-2 or 3-2 down, and the magnitude on that sucker is $30.33. So I was shorting this thing to the downside. I had to cut it. All right, $35 put out to 17 March expiration. Okay, 60 delta. I cut this thing after it went above, after it went 34.04. Okay, it was options, so it was a bigger loss than I wanted, but stopped it out. Done. For options traders, that wasn't a big loss at all. My discipline here with trading is a lot tighter and did most. But for options traders, hey, it's just a loss. Cut it, move on. And that's what I did. Save my capital, okay? Now, what I could have did better was cut my position to the downside and buy shares or calls to the other side. I did not do that. The reason why I'm telling you guys this live on this, the reason why I'm telling you it's not live, it's a recording. The reason why I'm telling you this on the show is because it's important for you to know that you get stopped out. You will get stopped out in the strat. It's a part of the strat. What we do is instead of telling the market what it's going to do, we tell the market tells us. Okay. Here's some news right here on the side. Let's make it bigger. Southwest's holiday crisis could cost up to the first up to first 9 months of 2022's earnings, analysts say. Okay, that's why I was shorting this thing. Okay, I'm shorting this thing because I already had actionable signals to the downside, and I got news to back it up. Okay. Southwest Airlines says a significant portion of this impact is from an estimated revenue loss in the range of 400 million to 425 million. Okay, no reason to short this. I mean, no reason to not short this thing. Okay, but the entire market's being pushed up. Okay, you got Boeing going. You got Boeing going to the highs. You got all airlines going to the highs. The entire market's going to the highs. If you are not looking at SPY, diamonds, or QQQ during your trading day, you're doing yourself a disservice. Okay, if you're not going to have it up on an extra screen, at least look at it every once in a while. Okay, so that when news comes out and then there's a simultaneous break to the highs, you know what's going on, or to the lows, but you know what's going on. Okay, because what the overall market's doing is going to negate what the price action It's going to negate what the previous price action was happening here. Okay, they were selling it. They were selling the crap out of it, and then people started buying, and then we had the entire market got pushed up. You know what I mean? So that's my trade on Southwest. Just being straight up, we get stopped out. And I get stopped out for a small loss, move on. I know I will make more trades throughout this year that I will, this is insignificant. But we do review our trades, we do journal, and we learn, okay? So that's TrendSpider. We're looking at these TrendSpider bots. We'll see if this thing goes anymore. This is StratSoldier. Just looking at some stuff for this week. I'll see you guys later. Peace.